What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to customize your Project Slayer's character on your mobile device or PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. After launching Project Slayers within Roblox, make sure to select the character where you wish to change its appearance, and before selecting to play, tap on the arrow icon and tap on Customize. Here, you can proceed to change your scaling, make your character wider, smaller or taller. The Close drop-down menu allows you to change your shoes, shirt and pants, as well as change the color for each. When selecting a color, you can use the color wheel to select a new color for the item. Use the slider in the middle of your screen to zoom in and out. You can also turn your character to view it from behind. On the right-hand side of your screen, you have a list of items you can get at random, as well as their chances of getting them. Most users will get a few spins for free, which can be redeemed here. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.